it's Nelly. Welcome back to my channel. I am in a different location. First of all, I'm in my living room. I am having one of those days where I don't want to be in my beauty room. I want to be outdoors and in fresh air. My beauty space, it's a big room, but it's full of like equipment and lighting, and I just want to be in like an open space. And I also don't want to wear any makeup today, which is so weird because I enjoy getting ready and doing my makeup, but today I don't want to. I still want to film, but I don't want to do like a sit down kind of makeup tutorial. I want to do something a little bit different. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. And I'm sure by the title of this video, you are probably super confused as to what the heck this video is about. I thought that it would be fun to create a full face of makeup using an app. I made this idea from a couple different things. So one, I discovered this super duper cool app. I've never heard anybody talk about it. Actually, my sister found it and she shared it with me, and I was fascinated by it. And the second thing that kind of sparked this idea for me was a video that I saw James Charles and Nikita Dragon do, where they had different challenges in Facetune. I was like, I have an app that kind of does the same thing. And then I saw that video by James Charles. I'm like, okay, this is probably like a sign from the universe that I need to do this. So what we're going to be doing today is we are actually going to be doing a full face of makeup using an app on our phone. This video is not sponsored. This app company probably doesn't even know that I use their app. And this is super duper controversial. Controversial? I said that's super weird. There's some people on the gram that they do definitely overdo it on the Facetune, and you can definitely tell. And there's also a lot of people that they just perfect their makeup using an app. So I thought that it would be super duper cool to just create a full face of makeup using this app that I discovered. I've never heard anybody talk about it, so I'm claiming it as my app. So I am about to open up the app. It's called Perfect 365. I took a picture a couple days ago wearing no makeup, and that is a picture that I'm going to edit and try to do my makeup using the app. So I'm going to open up the app. It's called Perfect 365, like I told you guys. And then I'm going to skip that. I'm going to go where it says photo makeup, and I'm going to, so right here, I'm going to click on photo makeup, and you have to be very careful. This app has tons of ads, so you need to be very careful where you kind of click, because you're going to end up in like another website. So I'm going to quickly go through my camera roll, and I am going to pick my picture. So as soon as you pop up the picture, it gives you kind of like a look already done. We're not going to use that because, as you can tell, it looks pretty crazy. What I am going to do is I'm going to go to the original, and I am going to click where it says tools. And there, I think we're going to get a little bit more control. So we have face, lips, eyes, hair, and shape. I always start with my eyebrows. So I am going to go to where it says eyes, and I am going to click on eyebrows, and let's see what we can come up with. By the way, I'm sorry if the lighting changes. I'm filming it in front of my window because I really didn't want to be in my studio today, so the lighting might come in and out. But anyways, so I am going to take the mechanical pencil, and I'm going to do soft black. And then on this side, you kind of have some controls. So I am going to control it until I feel like it looks okay. Now, one of them makes the eyebrows look really thin. We don't want that one. So I'm going to put that one all the way down, and I'm going to put the black. Okay, so if you click it and let go, you can kind of see that it did do something to our eyebrows. So I like that. So after that, I usually do eyeshadow. So I'm gonna click on eyeshadow, and we have the Essential Eyes, and then from Beauty Squad, we have some other looks. Okay, so I'm gonna do like a brown eye, nothing crazy. I'm gonna do like a dark, okay, I like that. I'm gonna go to the lower lash line, and I'm gonna pick the first one, and I'm going to do that. Oh wow, that is incredible. Okay, so I think I like that. I'm gonna go, let's see what's in the glitter. Ooh, you can add glitter. Okay, so I think I'm gonna add glitter. Like that. I kind of like that. Ooh. Ah, okay. Let me go back. Okay, I like that one. And then, okay, eyelashes. So for eyelashes, they have the Ardell Wispies, so I think we should do the Wispies. Wow. That is freaking incredible. Okay, I'm gonna do the one, I don't know. Okay, I think I'm just gonna do the Wispies, but that, okay, the baby Wispies maybe? Okay, I'm gonna do the Demi Wispies for my eyelashes. And I'm gonna go back, and now let's do eyeliner. Let's do the Beauty Squad, and I'm gonna do the cat eye one in black. And I'm just going to, that's too big. Ooh, okay, I like that one. Okay, holy moly. Okay, I'm gonna go back and I am going to do, okay, so we already, oh wait, let's go back to eyeliner. Let's do lower liner. Let's do a little bit in the lower. I'm gonna do black, of course. Okay, that's too much. I think I'm just gonna do that first one. I like the first one. Okay, so now let's do the eye color. We can change our eye color too. Oh, that's cool. Okay, I kind of like that one. That one looks pretty cool. Okay, under eye circles. So let's, it removed my under eye circles. Holy guacamole. Okay, okay, and now let's hit the brighten, and then let's brighten our eyes. Oh my God, who am I? Who am I? Okay, so the eyes are done. Let's move on to the face. So let's go to foundation, and let's try to pick a shade that kind of matches me. Okay, I like that one, but let's bring it down a little bit. Okay, that looks good. Now let's do the brighten the skin. Okay, I like that. Now let's do blush. I'm gonna pick like a peachy blush. Okay, that looks good. And now soften the skin. Okay, that's too filtered. I'm not gonna soften my skin. That looks too filtered. So they don't have concealer. Okay, that's weird. So now I'm gonna go to the lips, and I'm gonna make my smile a little bit deeper, like if I'm smizing. And then for lipstick, I think I'm gonna do the matte whipped, and I'm going to do nude. Oh, that's too nude. Upscale. Oh, I don't like this. Okay, let's see the ultra opaque. These are kind of weird. The Hydra. Okay, I like the Hydra. The Hydra. So I'm gonna do that. The Hydra. And then let's see the lip tattoos. Oh, those are cool. Okay, I'm not gonna do a lip tattoo. Now for lip liner, I'm just gonna do like, ooh, girl. Okay. Okay, I kind of like that. That looks, okay, that does actually not look good, but I think we're gonna have to go with it. Okay, let's, okay, that just like overdid my whole entire lips. Okay, let's go back to the lipstick and let's kind of fix the lipstick. Maybe I should do something dark. Okay, I kind of like this pink one. Oh, okay, let's go back to, I don't know what lipstick to do. Okay, I kind of like that red one. Okay, I'm just gonna stick with the red one. Now let's go to where it says shape, and I am going to take the eyes and I'm going to make them larger. We love a large-eyed queen. I'm going to slim my face a little bit because, you know, I've been hitting the gym. And then I'm gonna lift the cheeks. And then I'm going to enhance the nose, like contour the nose. And then I'm going to make my lips bigger because that lipstick just wasn't doing it for me. Okay, let's go to the hair. Ooh, we get to pick hairstyles? Okay, no. No for the hairstyles. Let's do hair color. And then let me find the black. And let me just add a little bit of black to remove the red. Okay, so I think that we are done. That was actually really easy. I'm going to save the picture. Wow, we just did a full face of makeup with an app. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it a step further. I'm gonna go into Facetune, open up my picture in Facetune. So let's open it up. Let's see, open photo, recently added. Okay, so that is, ooh, we are looking so fine. So we're going to just perfect it here a little bit. Wow, I need an app right now. So we're just going to perfect it a little bit. I'm going to go into the smooth tool and I'm just going to kind of smooth my nose a little bit because it looks a little janky. Okay, and now I'm going to go into the details and I am going to just kind of detail my eyes and the lips a little bit and the lashes. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the tones section of Facetune and I am going to take like a pale shade and I'm going to highlight my under eyes a little bit. Okay, that's ugly. Let me go back. Let's take something that's a little bit darker and kind of, there you go. I'm going to highlight our under eyes a little bit. I can't believe we can do this. So now we're going to go back into tones and I don't really like that lipstick shade. I want something that's like a little bit more like corally. So I'm just going to take like a pink and I'm just going to kind of like run it over. Okay, that looks horrible. We're not gonna do that. I'm gonna go into the tone section again and I'm gonna pick like a vanilla shade and we're going to highlight. So I'm going to highlight the tip of the nose and the bridge of the nose, of course. And then I'm going to do a little bit like up here on the tops of my cheekbones. Okay, so I'm gonna go back into the smoothing and I'm just gonna smooth the under eyes so that that lightness that we applied kind of matches in with the rest of the face. Okay, I'm gonna go back into the highlight shade because I forgot to highlight my inner corners of the eyes. So I'm just going to, ooh, what did I do? I'm just going to hit it right there in the inner corner. Okay, that's too much. Too much. Oh my. Okay, that actually looks pretty good. Okay, let's contour a little bit. I'm gonna go back into tones and I'm gonna get like a cool tone brown shade, something like that. And let's kind of contour the sides of the nose a little bit. Woo! Girl, we are looking good. Boom! OMG! I cannot believe I just did that. Let me save the picture. I cannot believe I just created a full face of makeup using 2 apps. Like, I am amazed. And it's kind of crazy because like as a makeup artist, we spend so much time blending. We spend so much time, we spend money on product, and there's apps that make people be makeup artists without trying. Like I literally did this in 20 minutes. Like I'm looking at my camera and it's 20 minutes. So that is freaking incredible. That is so freaking incredible. So I'm gonna put the before picture here and the after picture here so you can see the freaking difference. I am mind blown. But yeah, that is going to be it for today's video. I wanted to do just kind of like a fun, fast little video because again, I'm in the mood to film, but I'm not in the mood to like do my makeup. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, if you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what other videos you want to see from me. I love you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very, very soon with a brand new video. Mwah. I can't believe we just did that. That's crazy.